Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc, and today I'm going to be showing you the Critical Atom XR power supply. The Atom XR is a small, user-friendly power supply that has been designed to include all of the same great features of Critical's original Atom X, plus a few extra additions. So let's take a closer look. Critical has modernised the overlay design of the Atom XR to enhance the user interface experience, as well as being easy to cover and wrap for hygiene purposes. The buttons on the overlay are still easy to operate once the power supply has been covered or wrapped. Like with Critical's Atom and Atom X power supplies, the Atom XR has the same colour changing voltage indicator, as well as a traditional display to show the exact voltage you're running your machine at. Voltage can be adjusted from 1.5 to 17 volts in 0.1 volt steps. As you can see here, Critical Atom XR has dual outputs to connect multiple tattoo machines to the power unit, whether you're using rotaries or coils. In addition, Critical has added the capability to sync the Atom XR wirelessly with the manufacturer's CXP19 foot pedal, meaning less wires for a cleaner setup. You can use this power supply with or without a foot pedal, thanks to the pedal override mode. If you're using a foot pedal, you can choose between two modes, maintained and momentary. With maintained mode, you can use your foot switch to get your tattoo machine running with one click, followed by a subsequent click to turn it off. On the other hand, momentary mode allows you to keep your pedal down as long as you want the machine to run, before simply taking your foot off to stop the machine. The Critical Atom XR also offers a jump start mode for those hard starting tattoo machines that need a bit of extra power to get going. This tattoo power supply from Critical has built-in short circuit protection and non-volatile memory, meaning that the presets will be held even when power to the unit is removed. The base of the unit features built-in neodymium magnets for a strong hold on any magnetic surface. Its magnetic capabilities, along with its compact size and easy to use nature, makes the Atom XR a perfect power supply for studio use and taken with you to guest spots and conventions. Critical also offers a comprehensive 2-year manufacturer's warranty on the Atom XR for your peace of mind. Made in the USA, the Critical Atom XR is available in 3 colours: black with black overlay, rose gold with black overlay, and rose gold with a white overlay. We also offer 2 bundles containing an Atom XR power supply and a Critical CXP19 wireless foot pedal in either black and green or black and rose gold. Individual power supplies or the bundles can be ordered from Killer Inc via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Critical Atom XR, what do you think? Will it be your next tattoo power supply? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.